To install iPhone theme or iOS launcher on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we can go to the Play Store. Now once you open the Play Store, then you should be able to tap on the search option here at the bottom. Then we can use the search field at the top and you can search for iOS launcher or iPhone launcher, iPhone theme or iOS theme or something like that. Now you should be able to find many different apps, many different launchers that you can of course try if you want to. And in my case, I'm just gonna use this one over here. And based on this example, I'm gonna show you how to set this launcher up. But of course, feel free to try anything else if you decide to use a different app or a different launcher. So we're gonna open the launcher once it is installed. The setup is pretty easy. We don't have to allow the app to use the location. If you want, you can allow the the launcher to use contacts, to have access to contacts. We can of course grant access to photos and videos. Now in here, in this menu, you can go to make default launcher. You might see an ad in the meantime. Of course, this is pretty much the cost of using these launchers. Usually these launchers do have ads, but some of them, if not most of them, are actually free to use. So we're gonna skip once we have the option to do so, and we're gonna tap on OK in here. Now we will be redirected to the selection of the default launcher or default home app. So now we just need to switch from Moto App Launcher to the iOS launcher. And there we go. If you see this blur effect information, you can just tap on never. It doesn't really matter. It shows up on every smartphone, unfortunately. And there we go. Now we have our iOS theme on our Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. We also have the app library, for example. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.